following are the steps to access the EBF file manager from the console page. Launch the console page of the target device. Next, click on the EBF file manager from the left panel. Now you can view the EBF file manager and perform file manager operations. Create a folder to the EBF server using the Create Folder icon, which is available adjacent to the Upload File button. Navigate to the newly created folder. Upload a file to the EBF server using the Upload File button. Download any file from the EBF server using the download icon adjacent to the file name. Remove any file or folder from the EBF server using the delete icon adjacent to the file name.